Hi sir, napansin ko may mali sa address ko. May typo na nadagdag sa Q1 to Q3 na ngayon ko lang napansin. Kailangan ko po ba mag-file ng amended return? For me, sa ganyang case, since address lang naman at typo error, wag mo nang i-amend. Make sure na lang starting ng annual income tax return year 2025 mo, yung next filing, ay tama na yung address. My name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at J Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Kapag may tanong ka regarding freelancer BIR registration at ITR filing, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.